Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make 6 different types of seasonings. 4 teaspoons of sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons each of celery seed, dried marjoram, poppy seeds, and coarse black pepper. 1½ teaspoons parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika. Mix to combine. Put in an airtight container. If you have a funnel, it works better. 2 tablespoons plus 1½ teaspoons of paprika. 2 tablespoons garlic powder. That was a little less because I ran out of garlic powder. I did find more garlic powder, so I put in about 1/2 teaspoon more. 1 tablespoon each salt, onion powder, oregano, thyme, cayenne pepper, and pepper. And mix that until thoroughly combined. Put in airtight container. One-third cup salt, 1½ teaspoons garlic powder, 1½ teaspoon celery seed, 1½ teaspoons paprika, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground mustard, and mix until thoroughly combined. Put in an airtight container. One and a half teaspoons dried oregano, 1 teaspoon each of dried mint and thyme. Oh, that mint smells so good. 1/2 teaspoon each minced onion, basil, and marjoram. 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. This one doesn't make very much, so you can double the recipe, triple the recipe if you'd like. Mix until combined. Put in airtight container. I am going to make one more batch to put in there, and I'll do that off camera. Now, I don't want anybody to come down on me. I don't have one of the ingredients, but I asked Google. Instead of the 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, I'll be using 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We need 4 teaspoons of cumin, then you'll need 1½ teaspoons each of ground coriander and pepper. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, then 1/4 each of nutmeg and dried chili flakes. And I'm going to use 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne. I'll have the recipes to all of the seasonings down below and the incorrect ingredients. And mix that up until thoroughly combined. And then put it in an airtight container. Two tablespoons parsley flakes. 4 teaspoons minced onion. 4 teaspoons chili powder. 3 teaspoons dried minced chives. These are chives. They don't look minced, but that's all I have. I think I forgot to hit the record button, but I just added 3 teaspoons of cumin and mix thoroughly. Put in an airtight container. The chives may not go through my funnel. 6 easy seasonings. Just make sure that you have all of the ingredients. Salt-free herb blend, Creole seasoning, seasoned salt, Greek seasoning, Garam masala, Tex-Mex seasoning. Now I don't have to go to the store and buy them. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.